Hi guys, welcome to Trends Vloggers. Today let me talk about tan. So most of the customer they come to me and they will ask I have got tan and they don't take care much. So I would suggest everyone to go for CTM process. That's actually most important thing for your skin. Because nowadays pollutions and means dust is too much, so it's better if you use this cleansing, toning and moisturizer. So it, and plus sunscreen is most important thing for your skin. And I have seen, like many people are doing this, like they say that I'm doing CTM process, but there is a proper way to do. Just like you go in a minute, you just wash and you'll come and you'll tone your skin, and you'll get ready. So it's not that way. So you take your time, at least you wash your face 2 times, so that the dirt can go deeply from your skin. So if you're using cleanser, it's better, because face wash I don't suggest. Cleanser is very good, so any mild cleanser you can use. And you can cleanse it 2 times, and after that you can use toner, tone your skin. So toner is, the importance of toner is, it will minimize your pores. It will give you moisturizer, and the fresh look it will provide you. So it's better you use any like toner. Then you can use the daily cream which has moisturizer, because nowadays you need moisturizer to your skin. And plus you can go for sunscreen. So sunscreen, better you use SPF 50. Okay, which, so use Spectrum which has SPF 50, so it's better. And many of the customer are using sunscreen, but it is like very less quantity. So use no required quantity, it's better for your skin. So here I have given her a anti-tan treatment. Guys, you can see the result. So result always you can see is the next day, but a little result you can see, right, before and after. So if you like my video, subscribe my channel and share to your friends. And if you have any question, you can comment below.